My name is Stacy, and I'm excited to be in this course with you this semester. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be hard but awesome at the same time. Um, I am from Newport Beach, California, born and raised. But about 28 years ago, I met the man I fell in love with, the man of my dreams, and I moved to Cardston, Alberta, Canada from Newport Beach. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I love it here. We've raised a great little family, 4 kids, ages from 13 to 24. I work for the school division in the town I live in, and I work in the tech department, and my job is the help desk coordinator. So I love it. I've been here 7 years in this job, and it's really fun and exciting, and tech is always changing, and so there's always great stuff to learn and to work through. I am taking this course because I am getting a degree in professional studies, and my passion and my focus is on organizational leadership. And I just love it, and I look forward to learning more and understanding things better. And that's why I'm here in this class. Um, Maybe 2 goals for this course, this class. Um, I always have 2 goals in mind for every course I take, and one is to survive to the end of the semester, and 2 is to pass the class. And those are my goals for this class as well. Um, I'm looking forward to all the material and working through the scenarios and really implementing what I've learned in this class in my life, in my home life, in my career. And I'm excited to be here, and I look forward to learning with each of you. Thank you.